I'm going to show you today how to make rainbow confetti pancakes and some fun pancake art to do with your kids. You can do this on a birthday, holiday, special occasion, or just a random morning when you want to just put a big smile on your kids' faces. I like to use Annie's birthday confetti pancake and waffle mix because it has less harsh ingredients unlike other pancake brands. You're also going to need food coloring, sprinkles, some small bowls, some milk. I choose to use almond milk and eggs. The instructions are on the back, but you simply just need milk, egg, and the pancake and waffle mix, and you can read them step by step. We're going to take 1 2/3 cup of pancake powder mix, 1 egg, and 1 cup of milk. We're going to pour that all in together, and then we're going to mix all the ingredients together. And you want to mix it really good until you no longer see any lumps in the mixture. Once you see that it's nice and smooth, then you can begin to pour them in smaller bowls. The reason we are pouring them into smaller bowls is because we are making 4 different color pancakes, and we want to make our mixture for each color bowl by bowl. This just makes it go quicker and smoother when you begin to start frying the pancakes. So we're starting off with pink. Then we're going to go into blue. And I'm putting about 10 to 12 drops in each bowl. Then we have green and yellow. My kids love to do this part, so I called them over to come mix the colors together, and they're really excited about that. Just make sure you mix it really well. And if you think that the color is not dark enough, you can always add a couple more drops. For me, these colors look perfect, so we left it this way, and this is how it looked once we were done mixing. And next step is to cook the pancakes. You can make 1 at a time, 2 at a time, but me, I tried to fit 4 in the pot at once. You just pour it in until you get a nice size circle, and the key is to look for the bubbles. Once you see a lot of bubbles on the pancake, that means that the pancake is ready to be flipped, and that means that one side of it is complete. You'll see a little bit of brown on the pancake, and for me that's a great sign. That just shows me that my pancake's cooked well. You don't want it to look too brown though, so if you notice that it gets brown too quick or it's too dark, you're probably burning them and you need to turn it down lower. And that's really it. I like to make a lot of these for my kids so they can stack them up and have a nice rainbow stack. And I also like to do some fun pancake art. So here are a couple pancake arts that I did for them this morning. And maybe these will inspire you to do some art of your own. Now let me tell you, I'm no artist and they're not perfect, but my kids think they are the coolest thing ever, so don't stress about it. Just think of random things to do and just have fun with it. Honestly, I don't know what this was supposed to be, but it could have been a flower if I would have done it properly. I just wanted to do different colors. I did an M for Mackenzie. She was super excited about that one. And this is the cute idea to do a letter for each person in the house. Again, you just wait for those bubbles. Once you see it's a whole bunch of bubbles, you know that it's ready to flip, and you just flip the pancake. Riley requested a blue heart. Her favorite color is blue, so here I am making a heart. Sometimes you gotta fix it a little bit, but I think it came out cute. So this one didn't come out as expected. Comment below, what did you think I was trying to do right here? I tried. Again, I'm no artist, but I tried. I had a little bit of pancake mix left, and I said, let me make a rainbow. But I only had 3 colors left, and I didn't have a lot left, so yeah, just have fun with it. And if you have bigger kids, you can let them do this themselves. A rainbow. So here we go. Once you get all your pancakes, you stack each color on top of each other, all 4 colors. Take out some powdered sugar, sprinkle it on top. Get your sprinkles, sprinkle it on top. Perfect. So sweet, so beautiful looking, so cool looking. Get your syrup. Oh my gosh. I had this earlier and just looking at this video is making me hungry again. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh, so good. And the best part about it, these are confetti pancakes. So even though you see all the sprinkles and the powdered sugar on top, you also bite into that confetti cake inside. And these are the finished products of the pancake art that I did. And my kids were super excited to kind of decorate their own pancakes. So I just let them go at it. And they both just sat there and went powdered sugar crazy and sprinkle crazy. But I hope you enjoyed, and comment below your favorite pancake art that I did. Or if you tried this with your kids and how they like it. Bye.